A warm hello and welcome from Aver. This is Kiki, and today I'm going to show you the Pro AV and document camera solution from Aver for higher education. So right now I'm actually standing in one of our demo room, which approximately 13 meters wide and 14 meters long. This is a perfect test lab for the higher education because it's very close to the size of a lecture hall in a university. And today I'm actually using the Panopto software to record myself. And for today's demo, I'm actually having 3 different video sources right here. And the first video source, if you notice, is a camera that is capturing me and also following me wherever I go, because right now I'm using a AI auto tracking camera. So with this auto tracking camera, it follows the teacher wherever he or she goes around the classroom, even interact with the student. There's no lanyard, no IR, no any other additional device needed. Even works when I'm wearing a face mask. So if I turn around and try to write something on the board, the camera still tracks me, okay? And you can also see the camera capture my contents very clearly. So for this tracking camera, we offer up to 30 times optical zoom, which can cover the large auditorium in higher education. So this can be a very good example as a content/teacher AI tracking camera. And the second one, if you follow me right here, I have an elegant silver finish. This is a AVer PTZ camera, and now I'm mounting it on a flat panel and set up in the front of the room, which gives you an overall view of the student. So this can be my student camera. So with this student camera, your students online and in class can still interact in the distance learning or hybrid learning use scenario. So the third one, if you notice, I have a very beautiful and cool black device on my teacher's desk or a podium. So this is a document camera. So the purpose of a document camera is when the teacher wants to show the student some details of a real object. So let me switch my video source right here. So as you can see, I'm actually using a real model of a human brain. So with this document camera, today I'm using the M5. This is really simple document camera with USB plug and play. I'm having a USB connect to my PC directly. So you can see the details of the structure, the veins, the color of this model of the brain. And if you would like to go back to the classic and traditional teaching using a real textbook, you can still see the content with any effort. I'm teaching like showing sequence in narrative essays. So with the document camera, you can also show the content from a book, document, object with details, and your students will never miss that. Last but not least, I would like to show you a very cool function. So this is when you about to finish your class. So how would you as a teacher to turn off the cameras in the classroom? Well, of course, you can just try to use a button on your remote control and turn off the camera. But what if you do not want to touch it physically due to some hygiene concerns, or you may just forget it, right? Because you're running to a next session. Sometimes, teachers are really busy. So in this scenario, I'm suggesting you to turn on the sleep mode of the camera on. So how does it work? It basically works with any software you're using. So right now I'm using the Panopto. So I'm going to finish my class. I'm going to take my the PTZ, the student camera as example. What I need to do is just to turn off or close my PTZ camera on the software So let's go back and check it out. So if you notice, the LED on the PTZ camera is actually turning to orange, which means in different standby or sleep mode. And you can see the camera turn to another angle. It's not capturing the teacher or the students anymore. So when the next class starts, another teacher start using the software and choose the PTZ camera again, the camera will be waken up automatically and you don't have to worry anything. So all the design, as you can see, is automatic because we want to make sure as a teacher, all you need to do is just to focus on your teaching like you always do. All right, I hope you enjoy the demo today, and I hope you're also ready to rock your teaching with our document camera and Pro AV camera solution from Aver. Thank you.